Hello and welcome to Lasa.Africa. Today we'll be doing our product assembly of our WH-BFM-SGL. Let's go ahead and open up the box. For our first step, we'll be needing one part A, 2 parts B, 1 part E, and 6 parts H, our bolt, 6 parts I, our washer. Let's go ahead and assemble now. Using the provided Allen key, we'll fasten all of the fasteners. For our next step, we'll be needing part A, 2 parts C, 1 part E, and our H and I, 6 of them again. We've pre-prepared them as a set. Let's assemble. For our next step, we need 2 parts D, For our next step, we'll be needing our previous assemblies, as well as 8 part H and I. Prepared again, let's go ahead and assemble. For our next step, we'll be needing 10 part G and 1 part F. Remember to take out the temporary placeholders when installing. Let's assemble now. Starting with F, ensure that the clasps on the outside. Then let's install our remaining Gs. Notice the slots here, dedicated for all the G. Thank you so much for watching our product assembly of our WH-BFM-SGL. Please visit us on www.lasa.africa for more product assemblies and more products. Thank you.